name's Tom Reynolds. We farm here at Postling. Our farm business is called S. Salbstein Limited. The farm has been operating in its current form since about 1997, and we're agricultural contractors and farmers. So we grow varying combinable crops over an area of about 1,100 acres. We aim to go no-till as much as possible. We'll grow varying amounts of cover crops. We use Vadostat seed hawk in the main, but we've been playing around with other techniques. We've been, the last couple of years, really focused on drainage on the heavy ground here at Pent, where we've got heavy galt clay. So this is the product of the trial, well, part of it. So we grew Illustrious this year, which is a Group 1 milling wheat. We found that we achieved reasonable Hagbergs, and I didn't particularly push it too much in terms of protein. So we achieved 11% protein on a 9.5 tonne crop. So this is the field site where we had the fungicide trial. It's about a 7 hectare field. It was a first wheat situation after canary seed. So we established it using essentially a no-till situation, but we did run through with the grass and subsoil to start with. In terms of soil type, this is a bit lighter than the rest of the farm, but again quite heavy. We have very high calcium content, so pHs of 8s and 8 plus, so it gives us a lot of lockup of nutrition. Also in with that, it's high in mag, so in terms of ratios, it's a very tricky soil to deal with. So when it comes to T1, I felt that disease pressures was very low, and added to which, looking at all the trial data, I thought that a tracker epoxy Bravo mix would do us as good as anything. For T2 on the rest of my farm, I went with Ascra Pro. I like the look of it in trials. It was also interesting to compare that in the real results trial with the Librax. Looking at the raw data off the combine, it looks like the BASF trial has actually pipped my farmer treatment, but it's early to tell. With a bit of statistical analysis, it'll be interesting to see if there's actually a real result.
BASF. We create chemistry.